Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. Make sure you watch this video until the end, and don't forget to stay focused. Pay attention to every sentence, then memorize and practice, so that your English skills are improved. Let's get started. Look up to has the same meaning as respect or admire. As an exercise for you, she looks up to her older sister and often seeks her advice. Next, put up with. The meaning is tolerate, accept or face something unwanted. As an exercise for you, she has a lot of patience to put up with her noisy neighbors. Please practice. Get along with. It means have a harmonious relationship. As an exercise, he gets along well with his coworkers and they often go out together. Run into. It means meeting unexpectedly or meeting someone without a plan. As an exercise, I ran into an old friend at the mall yesterday. Bring about, which means cause to happen or result in. As an exercise, the new policy brought about positive changes in the workplace. You can make your example sentences. Take up. It means starting or starting to learn something. As an exercise, he decided to take up playing the guitar as a new hobby. Next, fall apart. The meaning is broken or falling apart. As an exercise, the old building started to fall apart due to years of neglect. Settle down. The meaning is move to a more stable place. As an exercise, they decided to settle down in the countryside. Settle for has the same meaning as satisfied with. As an exercise for you, I wanted a red dress, but I settled for the blue one. You can make yours. Look up to. It means admire or respect. As an exercise, I've always looked up to my older sister. As an exercise, the printer gave out and we couldn't print the documents. Turn in has the same meaning as deliver. Look out, which means be careful or be alert. Exercise for you. Look out, there's a car coming. Get across. It means explain clearly. As an exercise, she struggled to get her point across during the presentation. Bring about, which means causes to happen. As an exercise, the new policies brought about positive changes in the company. Stay focused. Give off. It means produces an odor or glow. As an exercise, the flowers give off a pleasant fragrance. Bring out. It means launch or publish. As an exercise, the author plans to bring out a new book next year. Next. Turn up. It means show up or come early. As an exercise, she turned up at the party before anyone else. Cut down. Has the same meaning as reduce. As an exercise, I'm trying to cut down on sugar in my diet. Swoon over. Has the same meaning as enchanted. As an exercise for you, she's been swooning over the actor's latest movie. Keep practicing. Go overboard. It means beyond reasonable limits. As an exercise, she went overboard with decorations for the party. Eyes up and down, which means evaluate carefully. As an exercise for you, the fashion designer's eyes went up and down, evaluating the model's outfit. Know inside out. Has the same meaning as know well. As an exercise, he knows this subject inside out. First off. It means first of all. As an exercise. First off, let's discuss the main goals of the project. Go bad. It means rot or break down. As an exercise. The milk went bad, so I had to throw it away. Hack up. Has the same meaning as coughing. As an exercise. He has been hacking up due to the cold he caught. I hope all the phrasal verbs that I have provided are useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful to improve your English skills, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, so you don't miss the next video to be uploaded. See you soon.